it on, the motor outside will get power and activate. All of a sudden now you might feel some of the pressure in the line that will kind of give you the feeling, okay, it is on. Once that's on, you turn the valve and it'll start to dispense oil into the fires. And as long as you have that open, it'll keep dispensing until that timer runs out. And then they will turn off your timer or let it run out.
Gotcha. Okay.
And if you ever want to disconnect, always turn the timer off. That way there's no pressure going through the lines. Because if you have this on and then you try to disconnect, you're going to have a nice mess on the floor because it's just trying to push oil out of that line. So if the timer's off and there's no oil running through the machine, when you disconnect, there will only be a couple of drops, and it's only because of gravity. It's just the residual that's in that little chamber between. Anytime I disconnect, I always have a towel and I'll disconnect. And when I disconnect, I'll just, any of the residual, I'll have wipe off with the towel that I have in my hand.
Okay.
So this is the filter machine completely assembled.
Okay.
So disassemble it. Everything is just hand tight. No tools should be needed to tighten any of these lug unions or any of these screens into place.
Okay.
That comes out. The screen itself is a 5-piece assembly. One screen comes off, the other rail will fly off. The screen itself is a 3-piece screen.
Okay.
It's a waffle screen sandwiched in between two mesh stainless steel screens. So that way every single piece slides in all evenly. Start pinching at every corner as you're installing. The motor itself, can sit back on there, line it up with the standpipe. And then this lug union will tighten down until it can't go anymore, and it will also be hand tight.
Okay. All right. So they turn that off. They put this drain pipe on. Plug the engine in.
Turn the machine on.
Turn the machine on. That right here.
Okay. Start washing down your machine or your tire.
Out into the usual tank outside.
Gently scrape the top of the screen, and you'll see you don't have to even when you're using paper. Of course, you can't do things.